Hello everyone, Ricardo Franco here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Team Rotator. So for those of you who want to join My Econ and want to make money as soon as possible, and you just want to make money like ASAP, like right now, and you guys don't want to wait any longer, and so that's a lot of people. Of course, it does take some time to make some money with business opportunities, but I have the solution here for you. I want to talk about is the Team Rotator. Our Team Rotator. Let me explain what the Team Rotator is. Team Rotator, our My Econ, our Team Rotator. Our team, the funnel team, we have a Team Rotator, and I'm going to show you exactly what is a Team Rotator. Our Team Rotator rotates every time it gets blasted all over the internet with the team's My Econ affiliate links, right? So whoever joins the Rotator will start generating money as soon as possible. This Team Rotator gets traffic every single day, targeting people who are looking for an online business opportunity. So you guys, you guys want to make money ASAP. I want to show you how this works. Now, the Team Rotator, this is the easiest way to start making money as fast as possible. This is a perfect head start to start generating income fast. And there is no additional charge to join the Team Rotator. Why? I will explain to you why. But I'm going to show you how the Team Rotator works. So let's go to this image right here. So let's just say right here the clicks. These are the ads, right? The ads are just going in every single day. And then this is a Team Rotator link, right? And this link is, let's say, this is John's link, and this is Sarah's link, and this is your link, right? So our team, the funnel team, they drive traffic to this Rotator link, right? So they're using their own money to paid ads, and these paid ads with targeting people who want to join a business opportunity, which, this one right here, My Econ. So let's just say you get involved. Your link's right here. This is Sarah and this is John. So when they see the ad, then they see the sales page, and then whoever visits this link, whoever's convinced, they want to join My Econ, the funnel team. So then, from right here, John, he's the first one in line in the Team Rotator. He gets to sign up, and then Sarah, right here, it's her turn, and whoever is in the, like I said, in the Team Rotator, everyone takes their turn, right? And then there's you. So that Team Rotator link, it just keeps going. It keeps going, and it just rotates every time that link gets visited, gets clicked on in the ad, right? So that's how the Team Rotator works. Now, why are we offering this Team Rotator? Because we care about your success. There's too many scammers online, and we want to help you become successful as soon as possible. And like I said, this is the biggest team here of My Econ, the funnel team, which I'm involved with. And we want to make you successful as soon as possible. And of course, we're still going to give you the course, the training, everything, so you guys can make money. But like I said, the Team Rotator is there for you to start generating income as soon as possible. Right. So whoever wants to join me. I have some bonuses right here. All right. I will be your mentor. Okay, I'm going to coach you guys. I will provide you with my my personal bonuses. I will give you my phone number, my social medias, my Facebook groups, and let's just start making money. Now I want to show you guys what my bonuses are. All right. My bonuses. Let me show you my bonuses. Let me look for my bonuses. Here you go. My bonuses. I'm going to give you guys an ebook of Google Ads. So, for those of you who don't know how to do any Google Ads, Google is the top traffic source on the planet. And I'm going to give you an ebook of how to do Google Ads for your links. So for those of you that want to start generating income like as soon as possible, this is perfect for you. This ebook, Google Ads, you will learn how to use keywords to target the right people, and then we go from there. Then we have an ebook for YouTube ads. YouTube ads, second traffic source on the planet, owned by Google. You use the same platform with Google Ads. You just advertise on YouTube. Now, there's always people seeking for business opportunity as well, and this ebook right here will teach you how to do YouTube ads. The third ebook we have is Microsoft ads, which I still call it's Bing ads. I still call it Bing ads, but now they changed the name to Microsoft ads. Microsoft ads, it's very similar to Google ads. It's a different search engine. So Google ads, Google, it's just one search engine. YouTube ads is, you can say it's just another search engine. And then Microsoft is another search engine. So all these three are all search engines right here. Right? So Microsoft ads, I'm going to give you an ebook similar to Google ads and how to advertise on Microsoft ads. And then we have ebook for Facebook groups. Now, let's say, I don't know if you ever heard, but it's very simple to make money through Facebook groups. Now, I'm going to give you an ebook of how to target the right people in certain Facebook groups, and from right there, there's groups of people who are looking for business opportunity as well on Facebook, and you just target them. So I will give you guys that Facebook group ebook. And then also, this one is very exciting too. I'm going to give you guys a Rolodex of traffic sources of people who are looking for business opportunities. I'm going to show you a little snippet of it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. A little preview here, right? I'm going to show you guys. This is the first one right here, and this is recommended by Igor. If those of you don't know who Igor is, he is one of the best traffic Rolodex or traffic source of. He generates leads of people who are looking for business opportunity. So this is one of them here, and this is a list of the people that he recommends. All these right here, as you can see, it has their contact information, their website, email, and even some of them have their Facebook group, Facebook profiles. So these right here are a Rolodex of people who they generate email leads every single day of people who want to make money from home, right? And then there is Igor himself. Igor is, like I said earlier, he's one of the best traffic sources on the planet, and he's really known in the industry. And so yeah, he's one of the ones that I will provide you with this link. And then they have this one. All Rolodex traffic source of people who want to make money from home. So, see, this one right here. Let's see here. See, Premium Biz Op MMO. Business opportunities. MMO is make money online. This one, Biz Ops, same thing. Make money online. And this one is for Forex, self-growth, and other stuff. So yeah, these are all the traffic source on this website of people who are seeking to make money from home. Now let's go to this one. There's another one. This one has a list of people as well. They're traffic vendors, and these people right here are going to provide you same thing. So these are all right here. Let me see. There's a directory. Now you can see the list of these people. All right. There you go. So you find you have all these people, list of these people that have traffic sources. See, and there's pages of them. Look at this page 2. So it's like it's a never ending when it traffic source of people that you want to work with, and you could contact these people. And it's all mainly make money from home, you know? So it will be very easy for you to convert these leads into making money with them. And then there's this one. Same thing, has directory of top premium quality traffic source. So I will provide you all these links, and then I will give you a link for my Facebook group to help you get results faster. And also, I'm going to give you my personal phone number. So all these right here, all included, and I want to make you guys successful. You know, that's what I want. I want to help you guys become successful. So, if you guys are interested, there'll be a link on the bottom in the description below of this video, and I will have a couple links down there. My Facebook group will be down there as well. My Facebook personal profile will be on there, and my phone number. And if you have any questions, if you guys still have questions of everything else, just go down below. And also, you know, I almost forgot. I have this. We will have this funnel teams the course here, and also you guys will be provided with your own pre-made sales funnel, right? And let me log in because it just already kicked me out. So I can show you guys the pre-made sales funnels. So all these are the pre-made sales funnels that you could use. They're free. Okay, remember, these are all free. These are all free. None of it is no additional charge for any of it. So like, let's say we go to this one. This will be your landing page, and we will provide you all these right here, all of them. So by using these links, okay, using these links, it will be connected to your affiliate link of your My Econ, right? So let's just go here. Let's just go here so you guys can see how this whole funnel is. And once you see, this is just me testing this out. So this is one of the sales funnels, and it has this video.
Hey, my friend DK here. So welcome to all the sales.
I'm not gonna do the whole thing. It explains everything, how you make money, everything.
They can help you guys get started.
46.
Comment the word invite.
46 minutes. I think it's like almost an hour. So this is how he's explaining how you make money residually by the membership levels, and also explains everything, every single thing that I just explained to you. But this one has a better explanation than I do, and you guys can start making money with this. And then from right there's another video, testimonial video.
Hey, Catherine here from San Antonio, Texas.
And then after that, you know, so somebody goes into your funnel right here, it will redirect with your affiliate link of My Econ. Now, how simple is that, right? How simple is that? And of course, if you start sharing your link, you know, to the right people, which what I just showed you guys, the Rolodex of traffic source of people that are interested in this stuff. You just share them to share these links, your funnel team affiliate link. You know, you could start generating my income as soon as possible. But, you know, if you guys can't do that right away, you know, we could do the rotator, which I just showed you guys earlier. The rotator, it's located here. So when you guys get the course, you go to your bonuses, the Team Rotator's right here. All you got to do is jump on right here. You just sign in, sign up, right? See, right there. Put your name, email, phone number, your username. This is mine right here. So I'm going to go to my Econ. I believe it's this one. So you'll be right here on top. Copy and paste that to your My Econ username right here. And then the level that you guys chose, I chose the $99.95. Whichever level you guys use. And then also your sponsor, which would be me. And if you want, you could just put, oh, wrong one. This one right here. Just put that one because I will be your sponsor. And then your personal Facebook profile. And select the date when you joined My Econ. And then there you'll be added to that rotator that I just explained to you guys earlier. I hope this video was helpful for you guys and how you guys can start making money as soon as possible with My Econ. But like I said, go to the description below, my phone number, everything's all down below. You guys could message me. We could have a conversation over the phone, and yeah, I could explain to you the whole thing, right? The whole process and everything. And then you, once you join me, I will give you all that bonuses that I promised you guys. I promised you guys. And then if you guys are ready to join, my link will be down below as well. But as soon as you do all that right there, you join through that My Funnel Team, my link. Please screenshot your username and everything and send it to that phone number on my phone number, which is down in the description. Just text me there so I can see it, and then I could give you all these bonuses right here. All these bonuses right here that I promised you, so I could help you guys become successful as soon as possible. So, if you guys like this video, comment, like and share, and of course, subscribe to my channel. See you guys on the next video. You guys take care. See you guys.